Follow along and help your kids make an easy accessory. You need string, scissors, scotch tape, blue pony beads, and striped red straws. Cut your red straws into 1.5-inch pieces. Cut a piece of string long enough to fit over your child's head when tied. Be sure to leave a little extra to tie the finished necklace together. Tie the pony bead to one end of the string. This will keep the beads and straws from slipping off while stringing. On the other end of the string, wrap a piece of scotch tape. This will make the end of the string sturdy. Begin threading your beads and straw pieces onto the string. You can create any pattern you like. Tie the string together at the end. Cut off the ends with the tape to finish the necklace. This could also be worn as a cute bracelet. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.